Hi guys, just realised I forgot to do the video for this GoPro that I've bought. Not a charity shop item, bought it in CEX, Computer Exchange or whatever they call themselves. I've been promising myself a GoPro for a long time, and I've been looking for a GoPro 7 Black or GoPro HERO 7 Black. And this particular CEX had one in, so I bought it. £1.20. I've already started 3D printing extra brackets, closures, enclosures, whatever you want to call them. Found this one on Thingiverse, modified it a bit so that I've got my tripod clamps on it already. That one's the standard one. That's the one straight off of Thingiverse, which is, it takes the GoPro with its little rubber housing on it. That slides in there and does the job. And then, as I say, I've been 3D printing quite a few of these now. I'm printing them in PLA. It suggests printing them in ABS instead, I think it is. But I just wanted to see if I could print them, because I only have PLA. Oh, I've got PETG as well, but I haven't got any ABS. So, yeah, been getting a bit carried away with that and forgetting to do the original video. It's got this head strap thing, so you can stick it on your head and film. It's got that one, that's the standard enclosure. And that one doesn't take the rubber thing. Oh, obviously we've got the rubber thing. I'm sure we could call it something else, but yeah, it sits in there. It had the battery. It's got a charger. It's got a USB lead. USB-C. I have been using it quite a bit now. I'm very pleased with it. I suppose that's if you go swimming with it, so it'll float to the surface. It's got a couple of these. It hasn't got the other side of it, because you stick them to whatever it is you're going to clamp that onto. Yeah, two of them. That one looks okay. That's a long one. Not sure where that's come from. That's broken. I don't know what that's from. No idea. Oh, unless... Nah, don't know what that is. That one's split. So I was quite pleased to actually get any of the extras, including the little bag. That's the safety instructions. It's not actually the instructions on how to use it. I had to download them off the GoPro site, which is no problem. So I've had it for, I don't know, 4 or 5 days now. And I've got to say, I am very pleased with it. I've always wanted one, but they were crazy expensive for the sort of money that I normally spend. 120 quid for this is still much more than I'd like to spend, but I think that's probably the going rate for a GoPro HERO 7 Black Edition. I've seen some of the others available, the silver and the white and whatever, but I did a little bit of research and decided it was the black was the one that I wanted. So that's what we've got. There'll be videos coming up where I've been trying it out, so I'll put some links in the video description. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.